Hello, lovely people. It's Kim McCarthy with the Pipeline Strategies. And who? Fixie Blue, that's who. I want to talk about my website. So, here's the deal. I'm so excited about this. But I also want to tell you some things that frustrate me as a business owner. So, the pipelinestrategies.com. The first website was more or less as a favor to someone who asked, can I do your website and show it on my portfolio? And okay, I like to help people out. There are a lot of things that I didn't want, and the overall I really wasn't pleased with. However, it served a purpose, and I was helping someone build a portfolio and a career. So then, two things happened simultaneously. Started creating the concept of the sales PEO, and the pandemic hit. So 2020, I was getting a new website. I was all excited about it. And lockdown happened, firms, agencies, everything shut down, and the website didn't happen. So I've got this website since 2019 that needs severe updating. It's if you were to look at it right now, it looks like scrap metal, to be honest with you. And I'll explain why. Reason is we're just now coming off the trail, so you'll see a lot of cars. So the reason why is the person developed it in WordPress. Sure, I'm sure WordPress is a great product, and she talked great things about it, and how she knew the creator and blah, blah, blah. Well, from a client perspective, I'm not pleased at all with WordPress as a product, or in my process as a brand owner. And the reason why is because WordPress isn't easy. There's a lot of updating, the plugins, just a lot of stuff going on. And that's just one more thing to manage. I don't have time to be managing that. So what that really does is force you into a relationship with a WordPress consultant or a website developer. He'll be doing constant updates on your site. And I find that highly annoying from a startup and limited budget perspective, because all of my time and attention was actually going to the development of the sales PEO. So we're circling back to that process to say, well, I couldn't even get a website done anyway because the sales PEO was in process. And any updates from that, more money, oh honey. So we just let it slide. And what happens when you let it slide, because I couldn't maintain WordPress, all the updates and the blah blahs. So then pages started disappearing. So that's why my website looks like scrap metal. Because one by one, these plugins that are no longer active or needing updating, whatever it is, that's why the pipelinestrategies.com, the old, by the time you see this video, maybe, looked the way it did. So, here's what I did, and here's what I do recommend doing. There are wonderful platforms out there that are easy website builders. I'm not sponsored by any of them, so I won't name them. But what is really nice is that you don't need coding experience. You don't need WordPress experience. It really is an easy, clickable plug and play situation. You got to have the right content in there, and that's totally up to you, boo. And getting the right imagery to support, from my perspective, the Andragogy experience. So, what's this all about? We have a new website! thepipelinestrategies.com. It's not published just yet, but it will be very, very soon. And I'm going to put up a couple of screenshots to show the difference, because it's a huge difference. And now that the Sales PEO and as a concept has been fully created and developed, we're in soft launch still. That now allows us to have a better vision for the website. So at least now you can see what we're about. So anyway, what's Pixie Blue up to? She loves the snow. Oh my God, she loves the snow. She needs a cart and a sled. Anyone want to donate one? Because she likes to fly. Have a blessed day, y'all. And keep checking up on thepipelinestrategies.com. It'll take a couple days to repopulate once we put it on the new platform, hosting platform. But I'm really excited about it and everything that has happened up until now and what's to come. Kisses, besitos. Have a great day.